Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the problem so you don't change the wrong setting. Reproduce the zoom behavior in a browser or document. Once confirmed, open Settings, go to Devices, then Mouse and Touchpad. Make sure you have administrator rights. Some fixes require driver or registry changes. While in Mouse Settings, check the primary drop-down for scroll options and click Additional Mouse Options to access hardware-level settings. This moves you immediately into the actionable area where Windows and drivers interact. You now tackle drivers and gesture sources because most zoom-on scroll issues come from input mappings. Open Device Manager, find your mouse or HID-compliant device, then update the driver. If the issue started after an update, roll back. Next, disable touchpad gestures or precision touchpad, pinch to zoom in touchpad settings to isolate the cause. Also inspect the specific app's input settings. Some apps map control plus scroll or a middle button modifier to zoom. Change that mapping or reset defaults to restore normal scroll behavior. You finish with system-level fixes and verification so the change persists. Back up the registry, then edit relevant keys for mouse wheel behavior or zoom mapping only if drivers and app settings failed. Incorrect edits can break input. After changes, restart Explorer or reboot the PC to commit settings. Finally, test with a different physical mouse, and if necessary, create a new Windows user profile to rule out a corrupt profile. If it still zooms, contact vendor support with logs and steps you already tried.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.